Okay, so you're going to go to any browser, right? If you're on my laptop, you can go through this. But if you're on anywhere else, you could just go to Southwest Chicago Christian School.
Okay.
Then you are going to you hit Blackbaud. You're going to click in, and then you're going to click bwent at swchristian.org. It's just my email. You then click next. Okay. Now it's going to take you through this whole process. And because I'm logged into Google, it's going to pop up for you. And I'm going to text you that password right now.
Okay.
Now, on classes, you go to homeroom, and then you can click under reading. It really should be titled curriculum. And then you just click my Google account again. And once you click my Google account, it'll sync everything for you.
Okay.
And then here's the math curriculum, and here's the reading curriculum. So if you want to click the teacher edition, you just click on this. We are right now on lesson 4.8, I think. So you just go to the side, today's unit, and then it'll give you the choices. So you go to 4, and then you just scroll down to 8. We did partial products, man. 8. So then once you click on the lesson, it brings up all the curriculum. So if you hit plan your lesson, this is what you see in the basal. So this is like each one. And again, there's games, there's everything is listed in here. That's why it's like it's challenging.
Yeah.
So I honestly more so go through the workbook pages with them.
Okay.
Because we only have like a half hour.
Right.
And that takes about a half hour.
Yeah.
There are like the warm-ups, like the mental math and fluency or the math message. The math message always pertains to the lesson. So I would say that would be a good thing to do. So I would maybe choose the math message and the lesson.
Perfect. Okay.
But down here's the games, or if you wanted to give them, like extra practice or enrichment. But the enrichment, I'll tell you, are super, super challenging.
Okay.
So I would be very careful about that.
Okay.
Then if you click the purple box and you go down, it's just through these kind of numbers here, and you just go until you see the workbook page.
Okay.
And you have a copy of their journal,
yes.
So you can kind of look ahead and see what the new page is.
Yeah.
But this is how you even pull it up on the smartboard.
Okay.
So that you can kind of show what you're doing here.
Yeah,
so then here's all the lessons, and then they get a math. And I guess you can do whatever you want. If you want to give them math homework every day, you can. If you like, it's totally up to you. Okay. And I'll give you total kind of control over what you want to do for that. So the way that I do it is I do spelling, reading, grammar Monday and Wednesday, and math Tuesday, Thursday.
Okay.
So there's home links on here. So the same place that you would find the workbook page or whatever, there's a home link. Okay. Or if you go to this green print worksheets, this is all the worksheets that you'll need or that you could potentially use. So like for this lesson, for example, here's the instructions for the game. So if you wanted to play that and have them work in partners, you could do that. This is a different sample page. So and this is like the enrichment. So if you want to do a small group with a couple kids, you could do that. So it's totally up to you. The home links always say home link at the top. That's how you know it's a homework.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. So see where it says home link?
Yeah.
So that's the home link. Okay. Now, and I know this is a lot of information, so I was like, I'm going to record this and that way you'll have it. Now, for reading, okay, it's the same thing. So you go through Southwest, you go through the homeroom tab, and you click on reading. The reading tab will bring you to the teacher link, and I'll show you what I do. And you are welcome to kind of change this around however you want, because I don't reuse them from year to year. Okay. So this week, we're on Unit 3, Week 4. Mm-hmm. Next week is Unit 3, Week 5. Okay. So this is my next week lesson plans. So if you go to Plan, Weekly Planner, and click it, it's going to give you every single thing you should do throughout the day.
Okay.
Oops. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Did it stop my... Did it stop the recording?
I don't know. Oh no.
Technology. Okay, so I was launching. Okay, well, do you see something I don't?
I don't think so. Yeah, it says it'll appear in a second.
That's annoying. I'll redo it. I'm just going to restart and then...